Good morning.
Hi, good morning, ma'am.
What is your name?
I'm Ana Lorraine E. Araos.
What is your age?
I'm 35 years old.
What year were you born?
November 25, 1980.
Do you have a valid work permit and identity card?
No.
Do you have a valid passport?
Yes.
Do you smoke?
No.
Do you drink?
No.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Buy my own house.
What is your hometown?
Valenzuela City.
What is your level of education?
Second year college level, undergrad.
Are you single or married?
Married.
Do you have children?
Yes.
How old are they?
5 and 10 years old.
Who takes care of them?
My mother-in-law.
How many siblings do you have?
6 sisters.
Are your parents alive?
Yes.
Do you support any or all of the members of the family?
Yes.
If your parents get sick, who can take care of them?
My 5 sisters.
Do you have any debts either here or in your hometown?
No.
Do you owe an employment agency any money?
No.
How many years of experience locally and abroad do you have?
4 years locally.
What do you enjoy most about your job?
Cooking, manicurist, talking children.
What do you enjoy the least?
None.
Do you have allergies in food, drugs, and detergents?
No.
Are you afraid of pets?
No.
How do you handle conflict with your previous employer?
Keep my employer silent, and I will talk to my employers afterwards.
In your last place of employment, were your employers both working?
Yes.
Do you accept no day offs but to be paid by your employer?
Yes.
Was your work primarily child care or housework?
Both.
How many hours each day do you work?
10 hours.
Do you have a first aid certificate?
No.
Are you willing to attend such a course?
Yes.
If my child burnt his hand on the iron, what would you do?
First aid, and I will put burn cream, and I will call my employer to improve my employer.
If my son is being very naughty while taking care of him, what would you do? How would you discipline him?
I will talk to him patiently and teaching him good manners.
Are you willing to wake up early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes.
Can you cook?
Yes.
What cuisines are you familiar with?
Filipino.
Would you be willing to cook vegetarian or Chinese food?
Yes.
Can you speak Cantonese?
No.
Are you willing to cut your hair short?
Yes.
What do you usually do in your spare time?
Resting.
Do you have any special skills like dancing, singing, or painting?
Massage and manicurist.
What is your message to your employer?
Hi, ma'am. Hi, madam. Hi, sir. I'm Ana Lorraine Araos. I'm 35 years old, and I will kind, understanding, and I will do my cleaning house and take good care of your children. Please hire me.
Sing one nursery rhyme.
Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day.